Welcome to our channel where we share the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers from Ninja. We'll be evaluating each product based on their features and functionalities. By the end of the video, you'll have a better understanding of which air fryer is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. The Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL can cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease with its 5.5 quarts, non-stick basket and crisper plate. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ401 Foodie has a larger 10 quarts capacity with 2 independent XL5QT zones, allowing you to cook a main dish and a side dish simultaneously or up to 8 lbs of chicken wings. Both air fryers offer multiple cooking functions. The Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL has 5 versatile cooking programs including air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodie has 6 versatile cooking programs including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The Ninja DZ401 Foodie has a 10 QT capacity and optimally distributes power across each basket to cook a 6 lb whole chicken and side as quickly as possible when match cook or smart finish is not selected. The Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL has a 1750 watt power and allows you to cook food within a wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In terms of price, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL is priced at $155, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodie is priced at $199. There you have it, a detailed comparison of the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL and the Ninja DZ401 Foodie. Depending on your needs, either air fryer could be a great addition to your kitchen. We hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.